Yeah.
Mads, where are we going?
To the beach. No, beach.
We're going to the beach.
Because it's not closed.
We're going to the beach. Wow, you're really learning how to use that. Good job, buddy.
Huh. Do you think that's beautiful?
Okay, let's go on to the beach, guys.
Let's see if we can find some birds. Oh. She's scared of that high.
Oh, what do you think, Link? Good. Yeah.
This is the lake of Frenchman's Bay, and there's a lighthouse close by here. Hey Dad, you should do a video of this beach because it says that there's lots of frogs here and then a tortoise. I also saw a woodpecker and lots of birds and a hawk. And also you should do that for your kids' assignment. You should say that they have to do beautiful nature, like what they have seen, like if they're going into the woods.
It's a good idea.
Look at that tree. Looks so good to climb on.
Lincoln! Madeline, come this way. No, it's a long cut. We're exploring.
No, but something is in my shoe.
Okay. Good job, Madeline. Great scootering.